Have you ever wondered what could happen if you took just one spoonful of olive oil before going to bed, especially after the age of 60? It sounds simple, almost too simple. But sometimes, the smallest habits are the ones that create the most noticeable changes over time. Olive oil has been used for centuries in Mediterranean homes, not only as a cooking ingredient, but also as a daily ritual for digestion, heart health, and overall vitality. After 60, the body changes in quiet ways. Digestion may become slower, the joints may feel stiffer in the morning, the skin may become drier. Cholesterol and blood pressure may need more attention. Sleep may not feel as deep as before. And many people begin searching for natural habits that support the body gently, without complicated routines. This is where olive oil becomes interesting. Taking one spoonful of extra virgin olive oil before bed may help support digestion during the night. Many people after 60 complain of constipation, bloating, or slow bowel movements. Olive oil can act as a gentle lubricant for the digestive tract. It may help soften stool and support smoother elimination in the morning. This does not mean it works like a strong laxative, and it should not be used as a replacement for medical treatment. But for some people, it can become a simple nightly habit that makes digestion feel more comfortable. Another reason olive oil is often called a secret after 60 is its effect on inflammation. As we age, the body may develop low-grade inflammation that affects the joints, blood vessels, and muscles. Extra virgin olive oil contains powerful compounds called polyphenols. These natural antioxidants may help protect cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is one of the processes linked to aging, stiffness, and chronic health problems. A spoonful of olive oil at night will not erase years of damage, but when combined with a balanced diet, movement, hydration, and good sleep, it may support the body in a meaningful way. The heart is another major reason olive oil is so respected. After 60, protecting the heart becomes one of the most important health goals. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid. These fats are considered heart-friendly when they replace unhealthy fats in the diet. Using olive oil instead of butter, margarine, or heavily processed oils may help support healthier cholesterol levels. Some people believe the benefit comes from adding olive oil to everything, but the real secret is replacement. Olive oil is most helpful when it becomes part of a healthier eating pattern, not when it is added on top of an already heavy diet. Taking it before bed may also help some people feel more satisfied during the night. A small spoonful of healthy fat can slow digestion slightly and may reduce late-night hunger. This can be useful for people who wake up craving snacks or sweets. However, portion matters. Olive oil is healthy, but it is still calorie-dense. 1 tablespoon contains around 120 calories. More is not always better. The goal is not to drink olive oil in large amounts, but to use a small, controlled quantity. Some people also notice that olive oil supports their skin from the inside. After 60, the skin naturally loses moisture and elasticity. Healthy fats are important for skin barrier function. Olive oil provides vitamin E and antioxidants that may help nourish the body. Of course, it will not remove wrinkles overnight, but it may contribute to better hydration and a healthier appearance when used consistently as part of a nutrient-rich lifestyle. There is also an interesting connection between olive oil and the brain. The brain needs healthy fats to function well. Diets rich in olive oil, vegetables, fish, legumes, nuts, and whole grains are often associated with better long-term health. For seniors, this matters because memory, focus, and mental energy become precious. 1 spoonful before bed is not a magic shield, but olive oil can be one small piece of a brain-supportive diet. But is it really a miracle? The honest answer is no, not in the magical sense. Olive oil is not a medicine that cures disease overnight. It will not replace blood pressure medication, cholesterol treatment, diabetes care, or medical advice. But it can feel like a miracle when a simple habit helps someone feel lighter, more comfortable, and more in control of their health. The miracle is not in 1 spoonful alone. The miracle is in consistency. The best choice is extra virgin olive oil because it is less processed and contains more natural antioxidants. Look for a bottle stored in dark glass, away from heat and light. The taste should be slightly fruity, sometimes peppery at the back of the throat. That peppery feeling can be a sign of beneficial compounds. Avoid oils that smell rancid or old. Quality matters. So how should you take it? Start small. 1 teaspoon before bed may be enough in the beginning, especially if your stomach is sensitive. If your body tolerates it well, you can increase to 1 tablespoon. You can take it alone or mix it with a small amount of warm water. Some people prefer adding it to a light evening meal instead of taking it directly. The effect is not about the exact ritual, but about making olive oil part of your daily routine. However, there are important precautions. If you have gallbladder problems, chronic diarrhea, pancreatitis, severe reflux, or if you are on a strict low-fat diet recommended by your doctor, speak with a healthcare professional before using olive oil at night. If you take blood-thinning medication or have a medical condition requiring dietary control, it is also better to ask your doctor. Natural does not always mean suitable for everyone. The most powerful way to use olive oil after 60 is to combine it with other simple habits. Eat more vegetables, drink enough water, walk daily if you can, reduce processed foods, sleep at regular times, avoid heavy meals late at night. Olive oil works best when it joins a healthy routine, not when it tries to fix an unhealthy one alone. So tonight, before you reach for a sugary snack or go to bed with a heavy stomach, think about this simple Mediterranean habit. One small spoonful of extra virgin olive oil may support digestion, nourish the heart, calm inflammation, and help your body age with more comfort. It is not magic, but it is powerful in its simplicity. After 60, health is not only about big decisions. Sometimes it begins with one small spoon, one quiet night, and one habit repeated with care.